Hi there! Let's learn to use the Moving Parts tool in Inspire PolyFoam's dispensing ribbon. We'll use this processor mock-up for our demonstration. We've already set up our model by designating the housing parts, inserts, and fluid part, and creating a nozzle. The nozzle window tells us that it will take a little more than 10 seconds to fill the cavity. We need to know this when setting up the moving parts. We want this part of the model to move to meet this part after the filling process is complete. We'll select the Moving Parts tool. Moving parts can rotate about an axis or translate along an axis. Our part needs to translate, so we'll click the Add Displacement button. Now we'll select the moving part. We can select more than one moving part if we needed to, but there's only one part in this model that has to move. In the Moving Parts window, we can specify the direction, distance, and timing of the part's movement. To set the direction, we can choose a global axis, or select an edge. We'll select an edge. To specify the distance, we can enter the distance in units if we know it, or we can simply select the start and end point on the model itself. We'll select points. Now we need to specify when the part will start and stop moving. Recall that it will take about 10 seconds for the housing to fill with fluid. We'll set the start time to 10 seconds, and the end time to 11 seconds. We can use the preview button to ensure that the part will move exactly where we intend. Once we're confident that the part will end up where we want it, we can run our analysis. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.